Secure your CBT center with Vinet Invent Limited. Welcome to Vinet Invent Limited. We deliver turnkey ICT solutions for secure, efficient testing environments. We designed, procured, and installed a comprehensive system for a 600-computer CBT center. Computer network with redundant core switches, routers, and VLANs. CCTV surveillance with IP cameras and mobile access. Fire alarm system with detection. Our solution ensures reliable connectivity, exam security, and facility safety. Advanced Tech Plus expert installation equals peace of mind. Vinet Invent Limited handles design, procurement, installation, and support. One partner for all your ICT needs. Boost your CBT or ICT center's credibility and performance. Secure it with us. Vinet Invent Limited, powering your future with innovative ICT. Vinet Invent Limited, your network security and power partner.
In the heart of innovation, where tech meets might.